This is the South Jamaican Dancehall TV. And today, this episode, we're going to speak
Yeah.
about Spoonhead, aka Foota. Now, someone of Spoonhead been having a run, a hate, a lot of people acting like him is the perfect security again. I mean, you can't even get a chance without disparaging them or something. Well, people who want to know the real perspective, truth on this Virginia being a grouping or just being literally Virgin. Now we'll get down to the graveyard this whole cooking. If we can remember the receipts and everything there, where this Virginia, this the general, to a level where we the listeners was disgusted. So we don't know how forgiveness power in all that. We said, because honestly, remember to myself when we listen to that audio, we have to say, no way possible. No way possible. You can't do this to a person again. Like, remember, the man has to be going around saying he is the viral mask. So he was hot and they couldn't travel. So we don't know the thing said. He went online and he went viral. And now the general forward, general is viral consistent. And I guess he's not that viral anymore. He's trying to get the part of the way. He's being ignored. So safe to say, he burned the bridge. YouTube, make sure y'all smash that like. Let's go. No, street attack, no people say this version of the biggest bad mind grouping move in the history of dance. No, all if you eat a man, they went down the food done cook and the food a share and thing. A man a grab plate and a run in the first man who want to share it. Then when him not get him, him share it, him a murmur. Yeah man, turn the talk up right now, Virgin. Is this Virgin or Judas, dog? I'm the talk the truth, bro. Unless you say this Virgin move like Judas. Cause one, him face that everything him said, govern dancehall. Wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. So, we have Mr. Vegas at school, and I'm not giving him head. You see, and I'm making him say, right now. He might like go a party, say them like, my DJ, and a 20 people in that party. And like, at least 6 of them are feel virgin them. So, him think now, like, what's my deal? And I say, like, viral, man. And him party no viral. Why am I the Rasta? He said that way. No, we look like the bridge and light the bridge on fire before the man even try the attempt cross. No, the bridge and I say, I don't have blacklist. You have to remember the levels of this bridge and are forward to with this intense. Call out governor, call out Aidona. You see me? It's like this bridge just miserable. Everything will happen. This bridge have a problem with it. No matter how an artist try to make them career go smooth. Foota hype have a problem with it. Now, speculation in the street there. When Foota hype scream straight nation, this is cover up in freaky ways, but that's their next episode. Now, people, I don't have to ask yourself that was that in Virgin. Who will take them type of style instead, right? And if a man blacklist himself by making himself enemy number one public enemy, put himself behind enemy lines.
Yeah.
The man, this Andrew Wall is in the bro G, man, this bro G. So you see if we say my figure wait till bro G in the office. Forward there. But I think put I can forward out there right now, right? I don't think so. No people. What wrong with this virgin? God, he's a miserable virgin. In this cartel them, then him act like say, he want to run the cartel them, that no work. In this Butty Bantan them, he want to work the Butty Bantan, that no work. The virgin mad still there. Why this virgin problem? Why is Foota hype so bitter? That is the real question, bro. Why this man problem? Boy, this is serious, Dread. Streets is saying the man is a devil, Dread. Boy, I go down in Trinidad, boy, and them man is saying, boy, Foota hype can't forward now, we run you, boy. That boy credit bad. Man, talk a lot of stuff, boy, about them man in Jamaica, boy, I don't think. Boy, Foota hype. That boy is the devil, boy. They said, look, man, that man is against the whole dancehall fraternity. As a matter of fact, him saying this alkaline wicked, wicked, one out alkaline in front of him face, run him, him same personally run alkaline, and I don't know how true it is, but this virgin have a problem. We don't know if him have an anger issue. We don't know what this spoon issue, but spoon have a problem. We're dropping a comment section, like this virgin, like, and look at that. Alkaline selling out all the shows with the hype trying to get booked. What is going on? Mr. Vegas just exposed him and just said, boy, I 10 people in I'm sure, including 10 I'm friend. If you want to add it up, I just 20 people there. So, don't look good. And then we end up on tour being man. The tour finish already. See, I tell Mr. Spoon spend off that little money that already like, nah man, a big money being a man I work for. So, but being a man now give you so much money, though. God, people don't know it. That is so. It's the one to kill the table full of food and Judas were running and them I said, no, remember, are you, remember you, are him, Jaja. Shalom have to tell him, say, yo, forward, but forward, come down. Them I said, no, don't die. Yeah, move like devil, brother. Confused. Want forgiveness. What did you do wrong for the hype? Man, them I said right now in the streets in San Vegas, I exposed the man and I said, well, if you're asking for forgiveness, you're guilty of something. What did you do for the general to forgive you for? So, when you was talking all these things for the hype about Bounty Killer and talk about how you have to bring your contact and all of these disgusting things where you spread on the internet about the general. Uh, uh, just tell like that follow Mr. Vegas. Just forward, tell the people them say it's a prank. And he's the viral boss. And the only way you can go viral is forward and make up things. Tell them, say, and you serve be learn from. Tell them. Da, 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 da.